In the compassionate name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, greetings and salutations to you, companions. I warmly welcome you back to the Saidi and Jampur channel. Companions, should you possess a timepiece from As-Salat and desire to modify the AM/PM time settings, how might one adjust them? Greetings again, my friends. You'll need to press the top button just like this. Continue pressing in this manner, and soon enough the time will be evident here. Subsequent to that, companions, you ought to hold down the central button here for an extended period. In doing so, my friends, you will observe the AM and PM adjustments. Once set, the timepiece will indicate the time in AM/PM format along with the ticking seconds. Subsequent to pressing the upper button once more, the watch perseveres in displaying AM/PM, albeit sans the seconds. And with another press of the top button, the watch will switch to railway time, that is the 24-hour clock, which also entails the seconds. By repeating the process, the timepiece will now reveal the 24-hour format exclusively, bereft of seconds. Thus, let's say, friends, that your preference is for AM/PM without the distraction of seconds. You will arrange it in said manner. Following a long press on the middle button once more, the configuration becomes active. Now moving to the principal display of it, you shall notice the absence of seconds. These are now omitted from this point.